Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just carrying on now from my last video with this set of Thornhill razors. It's quite hot outside today, about 34, 35 degrees. So I'm using a menthol soap that's got not only coconut oil and the usual, it's got eucalyptus, and on days like this you can really get that eucalyptus fragrance up your nostrils. And the one I'm telling you about is Pro Raso Green. Ideal for nice summer days like this. Really freshens your skin up and you can smell the vapours. The eucalyptus. So, right, let's go back. Hold on. This is the set for you people who are following this particular set. There's 7 razors in there, just to recap, and today we're going to be testing number 4. Later on this week we'll test 5, shave test 5. This is the Thornhill of Bond Street, London. Beautiful set, apart from 6 and 7. So and then after we've shave tested number 5, we'll have to see what happens with 6 and 7, because they've both got their faults, so I'll have to sort of mix and match. So this is shave test number 4. So this is about a 4-day growth. From Thursday of last week. So, anyway, birthday today for me, 17th of July. And no prizes for guessing how old I am today. Just to give you a bit of a clue. I was born in 1950, and today I'm 100 years old. I know I don't look it, but today, yes, I'm 70 years old. However, unlike a really nice wine, I don't improve with age. And people ask me how old I am. I say, well, you know, I'm not as old as you think. You know, I'm 12 and a half. 13 and a half, really. You can actually hear these blades going through the beard. Anyway, that's enough for this video. Don't want to bore you too much. So, as I said, this one, as I said, I'll do the number 5 later on this week, midweek. There's a few watermarks on this particular one. I'll just point them out. There's there and there. You could just see a few couple of watermarks, and again on the tang watermark there. But I'm not going to grind them off. I've just hand polished them as best I can. There's a little bit there at the end. But apart from that, the handle's good. Pivot's reasonably tight. And this will be going in my Etsy shop sometime this week. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. And I'll catch up with you later Wednesday, Thursday, sometime this week. Okay, bye for now. Have a good week. Bye.